Let's start by grounding ourselves. Begin to swing your arms gently from side to side, allowing your torso to follow the movement. Feel the connection between your feet and the earth as you twist, letting go of any tension in your body. As you swing your arms, imagine shaking off any stagnant energy. Let this movement symbolize the release of stress and worry. With each swing, feel lighter, as if you are sweeping away the clutter in your mind, making space for clarity and focus. Bring your hands in front of you, palms facing upward, as if you are gently pressing against an invisible wall. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, push your hands forward, feeling the resistance as if you are pushing a mountain. Keep your feet grounded and your core engaged, allowing your body to extend fully with the push. Slowly bring your hands back as you inhale and repeat. This movement is about building your inner strength and resilience. As you push, visualize any challenges in your life. With each push, remind yourself that you have the power to move through these obstacles with grace and determination. The mountain may be large, but so is your strength. Stand tall and imagine you're holding a large, round ball between your hands. Your left hand should be on the top and your right hand underneath, as if cupping the ball. Begin to gently circle your hands around the ball. Let your right hand move up and around while your left hand moves in the opposite direction. This circular motion helps to guide and circulate the energy within the ball. This movement is about balance and harmony. As you hold the ball, think of it as your world, your life, your responsibilities, your passions. You are in complete control, guiding the energy in a balanced and harmonious way. Feel the peaceful flow between your hands and within your spirit. Step out slightly with one foot, and as you shift your weight, move your hands apart as if you are brushing the mane of a wild horse. One hand moves forward and the other hand moves back, creating a smooth, flowing motion. Alternate sides moving gracefully and with intention. This movement represents grace and gentle strength. As you part the horse mane, imagine taming the wild aspects of your mind, your worries, your fears, bringing them into a state of calm. It's a reminder that you have the ability to find peace in the midst of chaos. Step forward with your right foot, bending your knee slightly. Your right hand sweeps down as if brushing your knee, while your left hand pushes forward, extending your arm fully. Then step back and switch sides, repeating the motion with fluidity. This movement is about moving forward with purpose. As you brush your knee and push, think of clearing a path for yourself, sweeping away doubt and pushing forward with confidence. It's a gentle reminder to stay focused on your path, trusting in your journey. Centering is about returning to your core, to the essence of who you are. In this moment, let go of distractions and connect with your inner self. Feel the peace that comes from within, the calm that exists regardless of external circumstances. Inhale deeply and you exhale, imagine packing energy into your Dantian. Feel the warmth and vitality building with each breath, nurturing your body from the inside out. This movement is about cultivating and preserving your life force. As you pack energy into your Dantian, visualize storing positive energy, strength and resilience. It's like saving up for a rainy day, building reserves of vitality that you can draw upon when needed. Imagine you are a bamboo stalk swaying gently in the wind. Begin to sway side to side, allowing your upper body to bend slightly with the motion. Keep your movements fluid and gentle, embodying the flexibility and strength of bamboo. Bamboo represents flexibility and resilience. As you sway, imagine yourself adapting to the winds of life with grace. No matter how strong the winds are, you remain rooted, bending without breaking. Let this movement remind you of the power of flexibility in both body and mind. If you enjoyed this session, you will love our video on daily Qigong routine for energy and vitality. Click the link to keep building your wellness journey.